Good day, dear students. Let's begin our English lesson. The theme of our today's lesson is health problems for the students of the fifth form. Before the beginning of our lesson, let me introduce with the aims of the lesson. Language aim. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to find collocations and understand the meaning of the new words. Speech aim. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to speak about the symptoms of the flu and the ways of not to be ill. Socio-cultural aim. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to give tips for the flu, treatment, and health. We begin our lesson with the warming up exercise. Circle the word that is different. For example, in a line you see 4 words. 1, 3, book, 5. The different word is book. Why? Because 1, 3, and 5 they are numerals and the book is a noun. That's why it is a different word. Like this, do other tasks. In a line 1 you see words listen, read, pen, look. Line 2, April, May, March, June. Line 3, men, children, people, women. I think you easily did this warm-up exercise. Now check your answers. From the first line, the different word is pen. Listen, read, look. They are verbs, and pen is a noun. At the second line, April, May, March. As you know, they are spring months. And June is a summer month. That's why it is different. And at the third line, men, children, people, they are in a plural form, and woman in a singular. That's why it's different. Well done. Let's do our next task. But here you see new words of our today's lesson. They are a stomach ache, a cough, a headache, a sore throat, a fever, a runny nose. Your task is match the words to the pictures. What word to refer to which picture? Finish it? Let's check your answers. What's number 1? Of course, a headache. What's number 2? A stomach ache. Number 3, a fever. What's number 4? A cough. What about number 5? It is a runny nose. What's number 6? A sore throat. Good of you. Pre-reading task. Describe the pictures. What do you think these pictures mean? Keep thinking. At the end of the lesson, you will know what they meant. Our next task is match the collocations. For example, serious symptoms. Like this, find other collocations. But before checking your collocations, let's read the text. Text influenza. Influenza has got a nickname. Most people call it the flu. People get the flu in winter months. Some of them have got serious symptoms, so they have to go to the hospital. If you don't want to be ill, you need to keep your body healthy, to sleep well, to drink water, to eat fruits and vegetables, and to do sport. Another way to avoid the flu is to wash your hands very often. People who have the flu have a fever, a cough, a sore throat, a runny and stuffy nose, and a headache. The flu spreads from person to person through the coughs and sneezes of people who are ill with the flu. Cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze or cough with a tissue. Then throw the tissue away. And dear students, in the text you see words written in red. And these are the answer to the previous exercise. These words collocations are serious symptoms, do sport, avoid the flu, wash your hands, stuffy nose, throw the tissue away. Let's check collocations. They are serious symptoms, avoid the flu, do sport, wash your hands, stuffy nose, throw the tissue away. And I hope your exercise looks like this. Post-reading. Answer the questions. When are people usually ill with the flu? What are the symptoms of the flu? What do you need to do not catch the flu? If you heard the text carefully, you can answer questions. I think you answered in this way. The first question: when are people usually ill with the flu? Of course, people get the flu in winter months. What are the symptoms of the flu? The symptoms of the flu are a fever, a cough, a sore throat, a stuffy nose, a headache. And the last question: what do you need to do not catch the flu? Of course, you must do sport, wash your hands, sleep well, eat fruits and vegetables, drink water. Here is the answer to the second task. As you know, you were given to describe the pictures. In order not to be ill with the flu, you must eat fruits and vegetables, drink water, sleep well, wash your hands, and do sport. And I hope that your answer was like this. It's the end of our lesson, and now take your homework. Look at the picture. Your friend is ill with the flu. Write to your friend ways of treatment by using new words of today's lesson in 4-5 sentences. My dear students, I hope that my lesson was useful for you. Thank you for your attention. Good luck.